now coming in as Operation Sindoor goes global. India's counter-terror diplomacy hits top gear. A JDU MP-led delegation has landed in Japan as part of a five-nation outreach spearheaded by Sanjay Jha. Simultaneously, a Sena MP-led team headed by Shrikant Shinde has also touched down in Abu Dhabi. From Tokyo to the UAE, India is taking its fight against terror, showcasing the resolve and rallying international support. My colleague Niyamika is also on the broadcast with us. And Niyamika, this is part of India's global outreach, making it clear that the entire country is united. And the message of Operation Sindoor is very clear. This is India's fight against terrorism.
Well, yes, indeed, and that is the only reason why this initiative has been taken by the government of India as sending an all-party delegation to different countries to brief them about Operation Sindoor as well as the actions which have been taken by Pakistan in the past as well. All of those issues are very much important for our country as well, because we also have to expose Pakistan that how they are continuously targeting, how they are sending terrorists to our country, and for that reason all of the parties, the entire India needs to be united on this entire issue. But we have also seen that how the politics is also being played out, as on one side the government of India had briefed all the party members who are a part of this all-party delegation about what they have to brief to the other countries, what all issues which needs to be raised, as there are particular briefings which have also been done. Documents have been given to all of these leaders who are a part of this all-party delegation to particularly mention about the actions which have been taken by Pakistan. But on the other side, we have seen that how the politics is being played out. But right now, which we all need to understand is that it is the time which we need to portray a united front in front of the entire world, and that is the major focus of this all-party delegation.
Okay, all right, Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details.